So we have our very first real hands-on leak of the Pixel 9 Pro, and it's got some surprises up its sleeve that no one saw coming. What's up guys, Sal here. So you might have heard we're getting 3 Pixel 9 models this year. In fact 4 if we also include the Fold. And today we have real pictures of the Pixel 9 Pro showing off the new design language. To be honest, when I first saw the Pixel 9 Pro in those CAD renders, I wasn't too sure about the design, but you know what, it's grown on me. The flat frame with that oval camera is starting to look pretty sleek. To be clear, the phone here is not in pristine condition. There's this big web of cracks chilling on the top left, held together with some tape. But hey, we're still getting a good peek at what this phone's all about. One of the pictures even posts the Pixel 9 Pro next to the iPhone 14 Pro Max, giving us a solid look at how they size up. And if you're scratching your head over the size difference, let me break it down for you. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is gonna keep the same size as its older sibling, the Pixel 8 Pro. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro is gonna be rocking the same size as the standard Pixel 9, but with some pro level goodies like a periscope telephoto camera. As for size, the Pixel 9 Pro is looking like it will be in the same ballpark as the iPhone 15 Pro. Oh, and here's a neat little detail. The phone's got flat sides, but there's the sweet little curve where they meet the front and back. Makes it comfortable to hold, you know? Unlike the iPhone 14 Pro with its kinda sharp edges that could be a pain during those binge scrolling sessions. By the way, Apple fixed that with the 15 Pro. Now let's talk about the surprise I mentioned earlier, the RAM. The image shows that Google is putting a whopping 16 GB of RAM into both the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL. This is a notable upgrade from the Pixel 8 Pro, which came with 12 GB of RAM. Google isn't usually known for going overboard with specs, so this is a nice surprise. And get this, it's even more RAM than what's in Samsung's S24 Ultra. Why so much RAM, you ask? Well, more RAM means the on-device AI stuff can really work at its full potential. Speaking of the on-device AI, the latest findings have revealed that the Pixel 9's many modern AI tools will be processed on the device itself. This includes text-to-image generation, text rewriting, and question and answer conversations with the phone. Now, these AI features are becoming pretty standard, but what's cool about the Pixel 9 is that it's doing all this stuff locally, no cloud needed, unlike the Pixel 8, which makes it faster and more secure. With that said, the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL will have this feature that even the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't have, making the Pixel 9 Pro the first mainstream Android phone to have it. Click here to know more, and I'll see you there.